I really hate recording videos, you guys know that, but I'll do my very best. So, welcome to my channel. I decided to create a couple of tutorials over the next few weeks that deal with anything that has to do with creating 3D models, textures, and any type of asset really that you would need for some kind of game technology related development, be it a game, be it augmented reality, virtual reality, what have you. So today's video is about creating a augmented reality marker for an augmented reality app out of a t-shirt that you already have. You might know the situation. You have this really rad t-shirt, but you don't have the actual digital file of the logo or the image that's on that t-shirt, and you want to use that to have some augmented reality content on your t-shirt. So this video shows you a way of how to approach that and how to make that logo on that t-shirt work as an augmented reality marker that you can then put your content on. Alright, so I hope you will enjoy this. If you do, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment in the comment section just in case you have another question or you have a subject that you want me to approach. Yeah, and have fun with it. Okay, so have the t-shirt ironed and then spread it out on a very flat surface like your work desk or whatever. Make sure that you have a light source to counter any light that comes in from either side. If you shoot in daylight, for instance, the better you have the t-shirt lit, the less work you have to do later on in image editing. And then, yeah, make sure that you take a photograph of it that has no perspective distortion, and on top of that, use a very close to 90-degree angle if you take the picture. I took this actually with a simple smartphone. So once I have the image in the image editing tool, the first thing you have to do is to crop the image, because square images work far better with the target marker system in Vuforia, for instance. Then try to get rid of the shadows, because even if you have the lights set up, you will have some gradients from natural light, and you try to make the actual logo features stand out, and gradients in the background might prevent that from happening. And then, yeah, just save it and upload it into, for instance, the Vuforia system. So as you can see here, we have the logo, and after an analysis, Vuforia says that this marker has a lot of features that it can recognize, so it will work very nicely in the actual app. Now, this is a test setup that I did in Unity. You can see the target marker with the logo on it, and the iguana is just a free asset that I downloaded because, well, he looks cool. Good, so let's see what happens if we test it. I mean, the image is of really good quality, the target marker has a lot of features, so it should work nicely, but we still have distortions once you wear the t-shirt because of folds and everything, but let's see how it holds up. And there we go. The logo works nicely, the target marker is picked up by the app, and it's very stable. So yeah, this is how you create an augmented reality marker out of a t-shirt that you already have. I hope you enjoyed it, have fun, create some awesome stuff, and see you next time.